Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in part 13 of Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. So far we have completed 17 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to discuss question number 18. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. Question number 18. You need to design an Azure policy that will implement the following functionality. For new resources, assign tag and values that match the tags and values of the resource group to which the resources are deployed. Second requirement is for existing resources, identify whether tags and values match the tags and values of the resource group that contains the resources. Next requirement is for any non-compliant resources, trigger auto-generated remediation tasks to create missing tags and values. The solution must use principle of least privileges. What should you include in the design? Let's go to choices. First question is which Azure policy effect we will be using to achieve the goal. Second question is Azure Active Directory or Entra ID Object and role-based access control role to use the remediation task. Let's look into the Azure policy effect. These all are the Azure policy available effects, out of which one, append and modify are given in the question. Let's see what append effect does. The append effect is used to add more fields to requested resource during creation or updates, but our requirement is we would like to add a tag. Let's look into second effect, which is the modify effect. The modify effect is used to add, update or remove properties or tags. So we are looking for the effect which can help us to add or update the tags on a subscription or resource during creation or update. Existing non-compliant resources can also be remediated. This is also one of our requirement with remediation task. Therefore, we'll go with the modify effect. Let's go back to answer the enforce OPA constraint effect and enforce rego policy effects are not available as Azure policy effects. Only append and modify were available, out of which modify is used to manage the tags. So this is the correct answer. Now let's go to second question, and we are having 4 choices. So for second question, we'll go to learn.microsoft.com. We are on learn.microsoft.com at the Azure Policy Definitions and Modify Effect page. The modify effect is used to add, update or remove properties or tags, as we know from the previous question, on the subscription or resource during creation or update. Existing non-compliant resources can also be remediated with the remediation task. Policy assignments with the effect set as modify requires a managed identity to do remediation. So we have the requirement that we should have managed identity. Let's go back to answer area. Therefore, in role-based access control, we will require a managed identity on the resource. So we may have these two possible answers, and service principal is not required. Now let's see, either we should have a contributor role or user access administrator role. Let's go back to learn.microsoft.com. Let's scroll down. Modify properties. The details property of the modify effect has all the sub properties that define the permissions needed for remediation and the operations used to add, update or remove tag values. The first point of role definition IDs is that this property must include an array of strings that match the role-based access control role ID accessible by the subscription. Second point for role definition IDs is that role defined must include all operations granted to the contributor role. So we should have the contributor role assigned to a managed identity. Let's go back to answer area. Therefore, the first option, a managed identity with contributor role, is the correct answer. That we require a role-based access control as a contributor role and it should be assigned to the managed identity. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.